Good day, viewers. You are welcome to yet another episode of the teaching series under chemistry. You are welcome to Soluble Tutor channel. Today we'll be discussing about homologous series. Now, what is homologous series? That is the definition of homologous series. A homologous series is a group of organic compounds that share the same functional group and have similar chemical properties. These are the two things. They share the same functional group. That's the first point. And have similar chemical properties. Okay? What do you understand by functional group? We'll discuss that very soon now in details. And we also discuss about chemical properties as we go on in this video. So I want you to sit down, be patient, and go on with the video step by step. The key characteristics of homologous series. The key characteristics is that the members differ from each other by a CH2. These 100 hydrocarbons in organic compound. CH2. I will explain that in details now. Let's take it step by step. Now, taking alkane as an example, 100 hydrocarbons. The alkanes, okay, has the general formula of CN H2N plus 2. CnH2n plus 2. What does this mean? Very simple. Now, under hydrocarbons, I would like to talk about the first 10 hydrocarbons. What are their names under hydrocarbons? So I would like to put in the tabular form, and let's start. Number of carbon atom. Here, I would like to talk about the name. Okay? And under this column, we discussed about the formula. That is the molecular formula. Let's go. Now, when the carbon is 1, we use the name met for 1. And since this is under alkane, look at this alkane. Alkane finishes with ANE. Because it has ANE, anything we write under this alkane, which is having a general molecular formula of this, we have to put ANE at the back. It is methane. So we call it methane. It is methane, we call it methane. At this level now, our carbon is 1, which is this. So we put 1 here, it will be C1. So let's put it down now. It will be C1, that is C1. Okay. Looking at it here, another one will be here. So 2 times 1, that's 2. Plus 2, that's 4. So C1H4. Since 1 is negligible, so we can write it as CH4. This is the molecular formula of methane. So let's go on. When we have the second carbon, it's always H. We finish it with what? With ANE as usual. With ANE. So it will be ethane. Okay, it has the number 2 as 2 carbon. Because of that, 2 will be substituted here. That will be C2. That will be C2. Okay. Now, when you have 2 here, that's 2 times 2. That is, the 2 comes from here. 2 times 2, that's 4. 4 plus 2, that's 6. H6. Now, let's go to the third one. The third one is propane. Propane. You can see they have a similar ANE. Propane. Now, talking about that, we have C2H6 here. So this one is 3. Here it will be substituted as 3. That will be C3. That will be C3. Okay. H. Now, since this is 3, 2 times 3, 6 plus 2, that's 8. Now, let's go to number 4. And after that, I will buttress the point of CH2 that we're talking about here. Okay. Now, the fourth one, that will be butane. Butane. That will be butane. Okay, that's butane. So it has 4. So as usual, when you put this 4 here, that's C4. Okay, H what? 4 here. 2 times 4, 8. 8 plus 2, that's 10. Okay, let's now go and buttress our points. The key characteristics of what? Of this homologous series, okay, is that the members differ from each other by CH2. Let's confirm that. This is CH4, okay. Now, if you take this CH4 and you come over from here to the second series here, you see that it's an addition of extra C. Because extra C, that is CH2. If you add another C to here, it will be C2. These 2 plus 4 making 6. Consider they are correct. Now, let's check another one here. From here to another series is also an addition of CH2. Because this C added to this, it becomes 3. These 2 added to this 6 becomes 8. The same thing occurs here. This C added to this 3, it becomes C4. This 2 added to 8 becomes 10. It goes on and on like that until it gets to 10. If you are interested in the video where I give a concise and a thorough and extensive explanation of hydrocarbons, where we have the 3 types, we have the alkanes, and alkynes. So you will see the pump up. After this video, just press on it. It will take you right to that video where you learn everything about the hydrocarbons, the 3 types of hydrocarbons extensively explained there. So let's go on now. We said homologous series. In homologous series, it is a group of organic compounds that shares the same functional group. Now, let's talk about the functional group. What we have discussed here, are they the same functional group? Yes. Their functional group is alkane, this ANE, with carbon to carbon single bond. Don't forget, I've told you that if you want a concise explanation, you will see that at the end of this video. Just click on the end screen there to take you there. Now, carbon to carbon single bond. This is a single bond. And they are bearing the same name, which is what? Alkane. So ANE finishes everything. So they belong to the same functional group called alkane. So that's one of the properties of homologous series. Though their chemical properties are not the same, but gradually it changes gradually, not a drastic change. This one now, for example, is a gas. The one that follows is also a what? It's also a gas. We use this one in cooking, okay, and also in automobile. This one is also a gas. This is also a gas. This is also a gas. The next one, which is pentane. The next one, which is what? Pentane, which is C5H12, happen to be a liquid. You can see that it's changing gradually. Gas, 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 and liquid. As it goes on, later it will change to solid, but it's a gradual process. So the chemical properties are not strictly the same, but are very similar. It goes on and on and on like that. They are very, very similar.
Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please leave your message in the comments section below. See you in our next video.